This is a great space to look at if you're searching for new product ideas, products that are currently in demand or have high sales. SellerApp uses 4 parameters to qualify this list as top product ideas. Let's dive into each category. BSR movers are products whose BSR has significantly improved in the last 24 hours. Improvements in BSR indicates increase in sales. Track these products to find out strategies behind these sales. Over here, you can find out the old rank and the new rank of the product and see the jump in the rank. Bigger the jump, more the sales. Trending products are the products that are currently in demand on Amazon. Summer products seem to be trending right now, like this inflatable pool toy. Most wished for is a list of products that are added most to wish lists and registries. This is the place to look at if you're looking to source products for any holiday. New arrivals are newly launched products that have already become best-selling products. This could indicate either low competition or high demand. Clicking on More Info will show SellerApp recommendations and analysis of the product based on 4 metrics: price, weight, dimension, and fulfillment mode. Opportunity score is a function of price range, product size, BSR, revenue and sales, ratings and reviews. The values are set by default but can be changed according to what you perceive is suitable for you. Estimate sales and revenue are calculated per day. Track products that interest you to get more insights like keywords used in the listing. Check listing quality of the product and more. You can carry out further research of the niche and products using Product Research feature, Chrome extension, and Keyword Research features.